Listen, I am purging right now, so I would rather not have the addition of a lot of things coming back in. Sometimes we bring in twice as much as what we threw out, and I am not trying to get in that category.
Hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Hey guys, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. Now I am here today to help you use your creativity when you are shopping for the holidays. Now right now there is clearance all over the place, but I will tell you, with it being August, they are usually in phase 3, or either coming out of 2 and then going to sit the merchandise, basically at a standstill for a certain price point. So it could be, marginally 2, but it could be 3. But definitely I'm going to lean toward phase 3. Phase 3 is when you start seeing a lot of odd specific percentages off, like 66% off, 75 may be there 1 minute, and then it may be 80, and they may fluctuate back and forth over the weekend. So beware of that. So more than likely the signs that you have the double percentages off. I know one company does this all too well. They'll say it's 50% off, and this is like a doorbuster, and it's an extra 20% off when you use our corporate credit card this time. So so you use that store's credit card and you get that extra off. All right, that might make you feel good. Because you're saving, but if you don't turn around and pay that credit card off and the interest builds up, guess what? You're pretty much back in the hole altogether. So you think about that. But that phase 3 gets played with a whole lot. Phase 4, that's the when you want to go all in. Phase 4 is when you start seeing 75 constantly. It shows up on Mondays, it's there on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and you can bet your bottom dollar you're going to see 80 or 90 going into the weekend. Phase 4 is knocking it out of the ballpark. We don't want to see it in the stores anymore. Christmas is sitting in the stock rooms. It's sitting on the dock. It's backed up in the trucks that are parked in a parking lot. Get it out of here. There's transfers taking place between multiple stores. This store is selling more of this type of merchandise. So, hey, we'll take all of your home store clearance over in this other store. Hey, we'll take all of your better sportswear because they're buying it over here at this store. So you see a lot of transferring taking place. Well, you don't see it because it's behind the scenes. So don't get into the mindset of it's going to be there when I come back. I'm going to wait until it hits a certain number. It's not going to work that way. It's going to be gone. Now this photo proves my point. It was taken on July the 18th at a department store. This is last year's fall and holiday. The color-coded price points means if you don't buy it, it will be boxed up and headed for liquidation. It was such a mess. I just couldn't shop that day.
Hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
This will inspire you to shop wisely and save money. Now, I get it. Before I begin, a lot of the reasons people do not take advantage of clearance. One, they're not interested in just shopping. They're just wanting to window shop right now. Number 2, they don't have the money to shop, period. They just don't. They don't have the creativity to see that object being used any differently than where they're presently seeing it. Where am I going to store this merchandise, until I'm ready to use it? Those are some basic reasons. We all go through it when we see certain things, All right, so let's jump right into some merchandise that I've got. I'll talk you through some of the processes in my mind of what I'm seeing, and we'll talk about some practical tips. I understand the weekly special philosophy, but I find it absolutely exhausting. People don't know this, to my surprise. Most stores have an unspoken 10-day price adjustment policy. Most stores do. I got this merchandise for $79, and now I come back in here, it is $59. I would like to have my $20 back. Okay, well, we don't normally do that. Would you get me a manager, please? Manager comes out, no problem. Most stores do. I kid you not, they do. They want your business. And they may say something like, well, we'll give you a one-time adjustment. Well, I only got one item, so this is one time, But that's how retail works. We love our TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, At Home, and so many others along that line. But do not forget to shop at furniture stores for home decor. They have beautiful home decor there. It's not just for staging. Yes, their price points seem to be high, but they have to keep those items fresh in the store to keep you coming back to look at the rest of the merchandise. So several of these stores have those items on clearance. Haverty's, for instance, has some beautiful home decor on clearance right now for 75% off. I thought I'd taken plenty of pictures, but for some reason, they're gone. I don't know. But I'm going to show you what I purchased there. And I paid about $80 for all of these items, 75% off. Unbelievable. So I go in and I go straight to the back at Haverty's. Listen, I'm not interested in furniture. I just want to see what you got in home decor. And you build a relationship with somebody there. They'll actually call and tell you so you can come in and get it. But yeah, don't forget your furniture stores. Ashley's especially have beautiful home decor there. And yeah, you can get some good deals there on quality and substantial size pieces, and a little bit more upscale than what we would normally find in some of our more frequently shopped stores. Okay, just thought I'd share that with you. All right, now back to the whole program. You know what I'm saying. This is one of those 60% off weekly specials at that same department store. I hopped into Haverty's. These were much larger and 75% off. 2 substantially sized lanterns for $22.50 each. Using our imagination, this natural sculpture on an acrylic base may not be appealing right now, but think coral reef with maybe painted aqua, coral, or even gold, and then it's perfect for a coastal vibe, especially in our living room. I love the stone that these items are made of. I don't know what it is, but they're very beautiful and very heavy. 75% off from Haverty's. There were pillows back there, several pieces of art. It was an amazing collection. Sorry that I don't have the photos, but it was all 75% off. So at Haverty's, for all of the items that I've shown you, I spent around $85.
Hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
When it comes to the holidays, one of the main things you want to go ahead and get done right now, after watching this video. Establish your theme. Royalty Designs with Trevina a few weeks ago did a 2022 Christmas theme video. Excellent. Such unique ideas. And she is the guru of decorating Christmas trees. So give a look at that video. I'm going to link it on an iCard for you to take a look at. Take inventory. Take pictures of existing Christmas decor. If you've got footage of last year's or previous year's Christmas, look at it. Look at how you use those items and say, oh, yeah, I do have white. Oh, I do have red ornaments. I don't have to buy those again. I've got my inventory. Make a list of what you already have before you hit the store. It doesn't have to be fancy. It could be on a sheet of paper that you just got folded up in your wallet. But every time you look at something for Christmas, you know exactly what you have at home and you know your theme. So why am I going to buy additional gold ornaments when I've already got 50,000 and the same ones are basically coming out year after year after year? There is no need. Okay, when you select your theme, go ahead, hit up Pinterest, just put in your theme, and everything is going to come up. And then you can see how to use existing items versus going out and starting all over again. Establish a budget before you hit the stores, because if not, you'll throw that whole plan out the window and totally forget about it. So I sold my Christmas tree, the 9-foot flock. It's gone. I set that money aside to shop for Christmas this year, just recycling it.
Hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Now the next thing you want to do is set a date. When do you want to get rolling on your decorating? That's with any project, whether you're doing a decorating project that has furniture or home decor involved or decorating for the holidays. Set a date when you want to get started. The reason why I find that important is because I am hungry for the celebration this year. I really, really am. And I'm ready to have the laughter and have the good cheer and get out there and have some fun. I know it's a lot still going on in the world, but I am so ready to celebrate life the way we used to. And I've missed having people around me and laughing and just enjoying a meal with people other than the people that live in this house. And I'm just ready for that. So I set a date already to get started, and you just never know. You might see a vignette already popping up within the next couple of weeks, and it's around the holidays. That's kind of normal for my family and friends to see in our house anyway. And if I'm working on it when they're here, whether it's a DIY or whether it's something that I'm just decorating, they'll just get right into it with me. And I'll say, will you hold this in place while I apply the glue or tie it down? Because it gets them excited as well. And it's just the time to celebrate. And I know there's several people where I'm not going to do a tree, I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to do that. And that's fine. It's just like, it is your choice, and I can clearly understand and support your choices. And I'm excited about it. My family is ready to see it. I've got sons 23 and 26 years old, and they will say, when are you going to start decorating for Christmas? Do you want me to help you take the stuff out? They need to see it. They need to see it, and I will honor their request, especially if they're going to help.
Hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
I'm basing the rest of my suggestions on the fact that you will be decorating at least a pre-lit 7-foot tree or a 7-foot live tree that will need lights. Pre-lit trees never have enough lights. Now you want to purchase your unique or collectible or theme-related ornaments first, and you want to purchase those in odd numbers. This could be your tree toppers as well, included in this uniqueness, but you want to get those first. There's going to be only a small quantity, and a department store could only get 36 of that item. So did you take note of the words in the top right-hand corner of the screen? That was 2017's Cozy Traditions Collection, and this is 2018's Cozy Tradition Collection. You see, if your style in your home all year long is a certain color or a certain style, period, you can carry that into your Christmas decoration. Each year, you can add a little bit more from your collection and build it. Well, next you want to pick up your cylinder of filler ornaments. These are the ones that support those collectibles or those unique ornaments that you want to have front and center. And they come in large quantities. So you want to stay in line with the budget. Get basic wrapping paper and beautiful matching ribbon. Now hear me well, there is nothing wrong with filling in and fluffing up your Christmas decor with items from Dollar Tree. I believe they're going to blow us away this year with that price increase. And Dollar Tree's crafting supplies are equal to those at Michael's and Hobby Lobby. I purchased a few items there. And check out some of the decor at Dollar Tree. Yeah, very similar to what you see at Michael's and at home.
Hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
What you want to do is plan for self-care during the holiday season. All of these beautiful, wonderful holiday fragrances floating around you, and you don't want to enjoy any of those scents and just your holiday movies and the sounds and laughter. Plan for self-care this holiday season. I've already started my little quest to find my little comfort zone corner where I can just enjoy. My sons are here and they've got whatever sports is still going to be playing during the holiday season. You know how that works. But guess what? A girl's got to have her quiet time. So I've already got my pajamas ordered. Yes, I love the little two-piece sets right here, the long sleeve top, and the shorts, the short pants. I love those, and my fuzzy socks. And I curl up under my favorite blanket, and I'm watching my favorite movie, and got everything around me that I want to snack on. Everything. So plan for self-care. Plan to soak in the tub when everything else is going on. Plan your favorite fragrances just being all around you. Get that bottle of perfume now, because you're going to want to have that. Just come on. I'm reclaiming my joy this Christmas season. I'm ready. I'm ready already. I don't know what it could be. I don't know what could come, but I'm ready to reclaim my joy. The past 2 years have been very, very taxing, but this year I am reclaiming my joy. I am going to laugh, I am going to celebrate, and I'm just going to enjoy every single moment to the best of my ability. That's what this video is all about. I can entice you to shop, okay, but I'm not enticing you to get in debt. I can entice you to decorate, okay, but I'm not enticing you to blow your budget, okay? We are simply being practical and owning who we are and celebrating our home and our family this holiday season. Those are the measures that I want you to take, all right? I want to thank you so much for stopping by. I hope this video was a delight to you. I hope you don't mind our little fireside chat moments. And if you're young and you don't know what the phrase fireside chat means, I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to tell you what I would tell my sons. I think you need to look it up. Yeah, you need to look it up. Okay. I want to thank you so much for watching. And if you're not a subscriber, hit the button, come back and see me. We've got more DIYs, holiday and regular DIYs coming your way. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, stay in prayer and stay creative.
Hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in